What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I have a very cool theater in Virginia that I am going to be walking you through. This is out in Front Royal, Virginia, and I have been traveling all over Virginia, DC, Maryland area, just showing off theaters. Really big market for us, but we are nationwide. You guys need anything anywhere in the US, you give us a call. We have nationwide free shipping and the lowest price guaranteed. Make sure to ask about our preferred installer network as well and our free design service. Alrighty, let's go ahead and check this system out. Alright guys, so this is the client's basement. I figured I'd show this area to you as well because it is just a really cool layout, and a lot of you guys are looking for inspiration as to things that you can do in your own space. So check this out. You got a nice area here where you can do ping pong, fireplace, and then you got a bar and foosball. Really nice layout here. They got the full bar, refrigerator, wet bar, everything there. TV is tied into the AV system. And then this is the theater room. This is really what you guys like to see. So this room right here actually goes back to the AV room, which the rack is actually in the theater. I think that's a really cool design. Just everything with this house is super cool. And then over there is the full bathroom and an extra bedroom. So really this basement has everything. We got 29 feet deep by 16 feet in width is the size of this theater space, and that's a really decent sized theater room. You get a bar and 2 rows of seating. I just love the color sequence too. Like, the client did an amazing job on designing this and putting it together. I'm actually going to make a separate video on these because I think they just were so creative with creating these panels. I have to share it with you. It's basically this fabric that they ordered off of the internet, and they just wrapped it around 2x4s, and then there's acoustic foam behind it. So they're actual acoustic panels, and the client was telling me that whenever the grandkids come into town, he can just pop these off, and they have the same ones with like I don't know, some kids thing on it, so it's like fun, but still an acoustic treatment, so it serves a purpose. Let's kind of talk about the audio video setup in this room. So the configuration here is a 7.2.6 Dolby Atmos system. So here at the front of the room, we're running the Klipsch, the RF7s, and the RC64. And then we got our dual PB16 Ultras from SVS here at the front of the room. And I actually made a separate video, guys, demoing this system so that you can hear the audio transfer through the room. It sounds really good. And then we got front heights, mid heights, rear heights, and then we got our surrounds and surround rears. Now, because of aesthetics, they are a little bit high, especially these side ones. I know you guys are gonna say something about it, so I just figured I'd point it out now, but that is, you know, everything comes down to wife approval. You know, it needs to look good and sound good, so that is what we got here. And now let's talk about this projection setup. This is the JVC RS2000. Now that JVC RS2000 is just a crowd favorite. DILA chip, inky black levels, and just it has everything. You know, if you guys haven't seen my videos recently on the JVC firmware update 3.5, check it out. I mean, the auto tone mapping, frame by frame, scene by scene is amazing, and then they added the home theater optimizer in there. So with the home theater optimizer, it is adjusting basically everything according to the room dimensions, the screen gain, the bulb life. Like, you know, bulbs, they deteriorate as you continue to use them. Not with JVC, it compensates for that. So really a performer back there, and you guys know we love JVC. They are the best right now. All right, and then we're broadcasting onto a 170-inch Screen Innovations Pure White 1.3 gain. So this is designed for no light in the room, which isn't an issue because the client actually put in individual light switches here. So you can come in and tweak it to still have light in the room and see your image. So like, see now, the Dreamedia logo is showing up really nice, and you still have some light in the room. Obviously, it's not as good as an ALR screen, but this is a dedicated theater space. So if you were to turn all the lights off, it's perfect. All right, and then I did want to point out these barn doors that the client put in. They're beautiful. I think that's a really nice touch. Again, this channel is about our business, selling home theater equipment, but I try to give you guys a bunch of ideas so that you can find inspiration and things you can do in your own home. Let's talk about the guts. Basically, this is a pretty simple system. He's not running separates. It's just a ABR. In particular, the 8500 from Denon. And now, Denon actually has the Denon 6500 as well that has 13 channel processing. And then the Xfinity and the Panasonic Blu-ray player down there. And I love how this is built in and trimmed out. Looks really clean. All right, guys, well, that is a wrap. I hope that you enjoyed this quick review. If you are interested in hearing this system, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be putting out a demo video as well. This is out in Virginia. Super nice client. I mean, everybody out here in Virginia has just been good people, you know, amazing, you know, very gracious and welcoming. I've had a great time out here, and we're not done. Tomorrow I am heading out and touring a bunch more properties, so you got to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to give you guys tons of inspiration with many different projects, all different room sizes, all different equipment. So here at Dreamedia, our goal is to have a theater or a media setup in every home in America, and you know that we're going to continue on that journey until we have accomplished that. It's my passion, you know, I love this stuff. So we're going to keep on keeping on. If you guys would like to purchase anything home theater related anywhere in the nation, we are your supplier. We have the guaranteed lowest prices with nationwide free shipping. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. All right, guys, that's all I got. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and make sure to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.
Certainly not, I speak for myself. Trespassing in this city and on this planet. Please get lost, Squidward! Dude embarrassed me in front of the wizard.
I'm sorry, I can't. He won't. Like, I don't.
Hey, stand down. Keep an eye on him.
What's up, Mr. Stark?
Kid, where'd you come from?
Your powers are great. You must be popular with the children.
It's a simple spell, but quite unbreakable.
Then I'll take it off your corpse.